Stitch by Sarah. I am Sarah, if you haven't already guessed, and I make handmade scrunchies, like these ones. And I've also got in development a range of bags, like makeup bags and laptop sleeves and book sleeves and coin purses and things like that. So it's going to be exciting to see what's coming in the future. Today we are packaging up my very first orders. So this is pretty exciting for me, and I've got a range of my new school scrunchies, some swim scrunchies, some squirt scrunchies, and some standard satin.
Yearning flows like a raging tide, heart and tears apart like a sharp blade. Loneliness follows like a shadow, only longing to embrace your silhouette. Love surges like the tide, tears fall like raindrops.
So at the moment I am just downloading the print tags that I need for the orders that I have got. So I need one of those, and one of those, and then we will download them. And now time to print.
On the beat. Mixing on the beat. Mixing on the beat.
Right, so let's pack the first order. Haven't actually tested any of this to make sure it fits, so we are going to see how we go. You can help me work out whether or not I've succeeded with this or not. So the very first order, we have a regular navy, which is this one here, and then we have a blue Izzy swim scrunchie and a classic skull in red and black. So let's see. First we are going to triple check we've got everything. Got one of one, one of one, and one of one. I'm just going to pre-fold that. This is just to make it look pretty, not the actual packaging that it will be posted in. Here we are. Handmade with love. Thank you. And that is the first order. Alrighty, the second one is just a white elastic navy, which is this one here. You can see it's got the puffy bits, so that makes this a wide one, and it should fit in there. So we'll just fold that over. Confirm we've got a navy white elastic. I actually bought some really cute washi tape, but I don't know what I've done with it. And the third order, we have a Zoe, which is the purple swim scrunchie, and one of the sports scrunchies. So these are the made out of lycra, so they're good for sports, and they're the two-tone, so you can have them in your school or team colours. One purple swim Zoe and one red and black sport. this next one we have a wide elastic skull scrunchie. You can see that one's got the wide elastic in it, and this one here has got a thin elastic in it. So this one is the wide elastic, and it's just one of those. So I'll just pop that into here. And then our very final one, which is a regular in the teal and navy, and some of the rose squirt scrunchies. So these are the little any scrunchies that are good for smaller kids, or people who sort of half up, half down, or something like that, plaits when they're swimming. So I'll just confirm we've got that one and that one. Thanks for joining me today while I packed my very first orders. I hope you enjoyed the process. I look forward to sharing my journey as I take Stitch by Sarah from a hobby to a business. Thanks for watching.